we're going to read a book that's called Too Much Noise. And it's so loud in my house right now with the kids home. Too much noise. Shh. Snore, Lily. Shh. This person is asleep. I think it's the mom. She wants to sleep. Mom is sleeping. Shh. That means to be quiet. She's asleep. Shh. Tiptoe, tiptoe, tiptoe. They're going to tiptoe.
Where are they going?
I don't know. Let's see. Get the bulls. Crash! That was a loud sound. Do you think it woke up Mom? Let's see. Get the cereal. Bam! Oh, look at Mom.
These guys are too loud.
She's trying to sleep. Get the milk. Splash! Oh, look at the mom. She's trying to stay asleep. But you know what? The kids are making their own cereal. Get the spoon. Smack! Oh, they're so loud. Here she comes. Do you think she is mad or happy?
Mad.
I don't know. She looks happy. Look at her face here. Yummy! They made food for Mommy.
Oh.
That was something nice that they did, right?
Uh-huh.
So Mommy was very happy. When the book is all done, what do we say?
The end.
The end.
Bye-bye.